Hello there everyone, welcome to Game Dev and Tech with Yas, and in this video we are going to make a health system. So in this video we are going to see how to make a health system. So I'm going to right click here, click on UI, and let's make a canvas. Let's call it health. I'm going to click F, and as you can see we have zoomed in to the canvas. So now I'm going to right click on this new canvas that we have made called health, and I'm going to do UI image, and let's just call this heart filled. Yes, and I also have a heart sprite here. Here we have the sprite. So here where there is a written num sprite, just click and drag this and put it here, and now we have a health sprite. So now we are going to click on set native size, which will basically set it to native size, and now we can hit shift and we can make it smaller. The resolution will stay same, you can make it smaller. I will put it here. That kind of feels a little bit. That about feels right. So I'm going to just click on Ctrl D to duplicate it. I'm going to put it right here and Ctrl D again, and I'm going to put it right here. And then we are going to take all of these and Ctrl D them one last time, and we are going to put these above the three hearts that we made, and we are going to rename these three to be heart empty. So they are empty hearts and we are going to make them black. So basically now if we disable one of these, you can see the heart empty can be seen. So I'm going to quickly enable them, and now let's get scripting. So heal, this script I have. You can see here in Visual Studio we do not have anything in the heal class. So let's just start typing. So I'm going to make a reference to our hearts. So heart 1. Just copy this. And let's make this right heart 2 and heart 3. So we also need another float that will be max health. It is the max health. You are a genius. Great for guessing that. And let's make another public float that's damage. So we are going to just deal damage to our max health. So let's go in void update and let's type if. Let's type input dot get key down, and let's type key code dot space. So whenever we get the space key down, we are going to type max health minus equals damage, and after that let's just also type if max health double equals 0. I mean not double equals, lesser than or equal to 0. So if it's lesser than or equal to 0, we are going to call a void called die. Not dictionary entry, it's die. And let's make a void because it currently doesn't exist. And there we have made a void called die. So die, we just basically want to destroy our player. So destroy transform dot game object, and yeah, basically our player is just destroyed. So this should work. So let me just explain this for you. So what we have done here is we have made two floats called max health and damage. So whenever we hit the space key on our keyboard, what we are going to do is we are going to minus damage once from max health. If our max health is equal to 0 or lesser than or equal to 0, that means it's minus 0.1 or something, then basically it's gone. The player has already died. So we are going to call the die function, and we are going to make a public void that just kills the player. So it's basically the code for that is destroy transform.gameObject, and that's what this code basically means. We also need to implement the hearts, but I will explain them separately later in the video. So let's see if this works for now. I have set the max health to be 40 and the damage to be 10, so it should be 4 clicks on the keyboard. So let me click 1. Let's see the health. So I'm basically immune to all these villains. Yeah, that feels good. Let's just go down. Yeah, 30. So one time I hit space, it has become 30. Second time 20, third time 10, and yeah, we basically die now. So let's implement that to our hearts, and let's also increase one heart because we are one heart short. Oh my god, that feels wrong to say. Let's duplicate that, and we have a new heart. How is it? Illogical. It is not possible in real life, but in video games, everything is possible. Yeah, so now we have 4 hearts, and let's destroy them whenever our health is smaller than a certain number. So we are going to so what we are going to do is we are going to type is max health is minus equals 30. Then we want to destroy not minus equals, it's lesser than or equals 30. Then we want to destroy the first heart. So let's just copy this, and let's type heart 1. Let's copy this whole statement, and let's paste this 4 times. And let's type heart 1, heart 2, heart 3, heart 4. Let's delete this is extra, and let's assign them properly. So it is 30, 20, then 10, and let's copy this, then 10, and this is 0, and this is heart 4, and this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and that's 4. Yeah, so we have done this, and we are going to go into Unity. So yes, I have basically assigned all of the 4 hearts, and I guess they are in wrong order. Let me just assign them once again. And yes, now we have assigned them properly. So let's go into game mode, let's start, and yeah, everything should be working properly. So yeah, let's hit spacebar. Let's first get the view of it. Yeah, let's hit spacebar. Yeah, as you can see, one of our hearts has gone down, and we are also on 30 health. Let's hit once again. Second heart gone, and we are on 20 health. Third, and now it's game over. Yep, everything is working just as I thought. And you can basically duplicate them as many times as you like, and you can make them into like 7 or 8 hearts. I don't know how many hearts you want. And it is super easy. It's just basically going here, copying this function, and just pasting it once again. And also making a new float here. I mean game object here. Yeah, so you can do that very simply. So that was it for this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing and click that like button. Also check me out on Nishi.io. I seem to make video games there.